عليكم ورحمة الله.
السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Sheikh, I have a lot of ideas that tells me to enjoy good and forbid evil. Maybe it's waswas. Nearly everything in my mind tell me to forbid some things. I hear my mom say my aunt's prayers while sitting and she can't stand. My mind say, oh, forbid now. You must call your aunt and tell her. So even if I advise, like the mosque that I used to pray Jum'ah in, they put Quran behind their feet. So I advised them, two muaddins to remove it, and they didn't do so. So my mind tells me, oh, now you should tell them now to put them in the mihrab or you will be a kafir, and so on. So Sheikh, so I have to, even now I don't get out, so these ideas don't come to my mind. Barakallahu fik.
Akhi, Ahlul Sunnati wal Jama'ah say that we have to forbid evil and enjoin righteousness and virtue. This is the characteristic of the ummah of Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam, when Allah says, "Kuntum khayra ummatin ukhrijat linnas ta'muruna bil ma'ruf wa tanhawna 'anil munkar." This is what we're described by. However, Ahlul Sunnati wal Jama'ah say those who forbid evil and instruct and order virtue and righteousness must be, number one, knowledgeable of what they forbid and enjoin, and must be kind and forbearing in what they forbid and enjoin. You cannot tell people something to do or not to do when you don't have the proper knowledge. And obviously, by the examples you had given, you don't have knowledge. So it becomes prohibited for you to speak. You can go out, you can mingle with people, but because you don't have knowledge, you must refrain. Because Allah says in Surah Al-A'raf, verse number 33, categorizing the levels of haram. قُلْ إِنَّمَا حَرَّمَ رَبِّيَ الْفَوَاحِشَ مَا ظَهَرَ مِنْهَا وَمَا بَطَنَ وَالْإِثْمَ وَالْبَغْيَ بِغَيْرِ الْحَقِّ وَأَن تُشْرِكُوا بِاللَّهِ مَا لَمْ يُنَزِّلْ بِهِ سُلْطَانًا وَأَن تَقُولُوا عَلَى اللَّهِ مَا لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. The highest of all evil is to speak without knowledge about Allah Azza wa Jal, about the religion of Allah. The most dangerous thing is to make what is halal haram because you're ignorant, and what is haram halal because you don't know, but you had the audacity to open your mouth without knowledge. When the companions instructed someone who had a cut and a wound in his head and had an external emission, when they ordered him to have ghusl despite of his injury and he died, the Prophet said alayhi salatu salam, they had killed him. May Allah kill him. May Allah kill them. Hadn't they asked to learn and know? Because the cure of someone who's ignorant is to ask. So number one, you have no knowledge, shut your mouth. Number two, when you have knowledge, you have to have forbearing, hilm. You have to have kindness, compassion. You have to outweigh the pros and cons. So if you know that when you open your mouth and speak with knowledge, hypothetically, that this would cause more harm than good, refrain. And this comes only with learning your religion properly. May Allah make things easy for you.